Mama, good afternoon, ma.
Oh, good afternoon. Welcome.
Okay, ma.
Hey, welcome.
Mama, you fit give me like 200 naira, make I take buy data. Use watch my friend Obi Kubana. You know he's doing well on the internet. He's trending.
You know the shame? They can't ask me your mama 200. Say one go watch your classmate. Say they do well for internet.
Mama, you of all people should know that it's not yet my time now. Obi Kubana was my classmate. He even dropped out of school now. He dropped out.
He dropped out to wealth. You uncle. BSc to the highest poverty.
Hey! We will handicap.
It's a cap.
Emere monye aji megidemo. Emere monye aji megidemo.
Let me apply it in town.
Away.
And I will take it to my house. I will take it to Bunjaka. You enjoy your life.